Yo guys, it's your boy here. God bless you guys. I hope everyone's doing good. Everyone is enjoying the blessings of life. Um, Guys, I just wanted to share a quick wisdom that I also realized today. I realized that everything in life is balance. What goes up must come down. But no, for real. I just realized that also it's so complex to even talk about this because every person being born is such a different character, with such different structure that you can't even generalize experiences like this. So you can't just say something and expect it to apply to every person because, gosh, we are so complex. I'm trying to understand it, but it is still very hard to comprehend it. But I noticed that for most people, there's a heavy, yin and yang in their life. That means that you have to there's certain things that you have to go through in life always, and this doesn't mean that your life is like played out like a video game or a movie or anything. It's just there's certain things that you need to experience, and it's gonna be highs and lows and ups and downs and stuff. So that just means guys, life is so cool. Like, just imagine how crazy it is that you're alive, Like, what was the chance of you being born, And the fact that you were born is such a miracle. And we forget that, we forget because we get caught up in like everyday stuff. And I understand that. I also do that. But it's just times like this when I think about this stuff, that I actually realize how crazy life is and how valuable it is, and how much we have to appreciate it while we're still alive. This blink of a light in the universe, really, it's like 100 years if you're lucky, 120. It's so crazy, guys. But what I want to say is, and what I want my advice to be, my message to be, is that even though things are not going always good, still appreciate them and still enjoy the ride, because life is a roller coaster. You're put on this roller coaster called life, and in this roller coaster called life, you cannot see the road ahead, journey ahead. You just have to buckle up and go through it, Even if the roller coaster goes like this, be present through it all, because this one experience called life is all we currently have, and just enjoy the journey, even if it's shitty. It's about the small things, guys, always. And yeah, I hope everyone watching this video can be a bit more grateful for everything they have and all the blessings in life. God has it all planned out for us, so just don't worry, or do. It's your choice, because it's your one life, and Don't let anyone tell you how to live it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.